had a nice trip with our class. We were in Simonstown, Cape Point and Hort-Bay.
In South Africa, people are friendly. So when I came for my first time in South Africa, it was very difficult for me to speak with people because I couldn't speak English. But now I can speak, I can communicate with people.
We have small classes. It is good because the teacher gives attention for all students. Paul from the school, from direction from school, he helps me to find accommodation and he take me from the airport, so it was very easy to find.
I came in Cape Town for complete my study in engineering and architecture. I'm here for make my thesis abroad, but my English wasn't not very good. So my professor suggests me to take a lesson, and I come here in a knowledge worker for study English for improve myself for my study.
If you want to learn English quickly, I advise you knowledge workshop. We learn while we are playing, so that's a good thing actually. So you play, but without knowing you are learning something new. I want to learn English to get to an English university. When I came here, well, trust me, I couldn't speak anything in English, so I only could say maybe hello, how are you, and without knowing what to answer to how are you. So yeah, my English has improved since coming here.
So on Fridays we have what we call Friday Fun Day. We often go on outings, so I think it's nice for students not only to learn English, but to learn about the city and the country in which they're living. A student that comes to the Knowledge Workshop gets a holistic education because we try not only to teach them about language and about the grammar structure, but also to educate them about South African culture and about the culture that's associated with the language that you learn.